How to temporarily deactivate your WhatsApp account without deleting it. Temporarily deactivating your WhatsApp account without deleting it is not officially supported with a one-click option, but there are a clever workarounds to pause your WhatsApp activity without losing data or uninstalling the app. And here is how to do it. First of all, open the Settings app on your mobile device, either in iPhone or Android. Now, scroll down and tap on the notifications option available there. Now, once you tap on the notifications, again scroll down and look for the WhatsApp app and simply tap on it. Now, once you tap on the WhatsApp, make sure that the allow notification is toggled off. This makes WhatsApp silent. You won't get messages unless you open the app. Now, for the next option, simply go back to the home screen and now search for the WhatsApp app and long press on the WhatsApp app. Then tap on the remove app option available at the bottom. Then tap on the remove from home screen. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.